Hello guys! Today we will drawing ballerina cappuccina and tung 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 sahur. Okay, let's start. Oh, so good. Me too. Ballerina cappuccina is good. Sorry guys, we don't have any order, only this. Yes, only this. It's okay. Okay guys, guess which one. Here. What? Guess which one is the account of this channel. Click the like button now.
Yeah.
Or subscribe to me here.
Yeah, subscribe to more subscribe.
Oh, I mean just subscribe here. IDK who owns this channel.
Yeah.
There are colors. Oh, there we have it. Wait, mali ako ulit. Okay guys, so my friend just because she I don't know, she get wrong. Look what she drew earlier. Ha ha ha. Okay, we will remove the filter after we shown the drawing. So I finished Tugtong Sahur and Ballerina Cappuccina. So I'm gonna turn off the lights because it's so bright. There we go guys, we turned off the lights and it's so dark. Just kidding. I'm just showing my magic earlier. Oh my god, Tugtong Sahur is so big. Hey guys, we just did you see it? That is ballerina cappuccina. Look how cute it is. And this is my Tugtong Sahur. And this is for my friend.